Hi, I'm Kobe Cheese 12 and welcome to our third belching contest. I'm going to go up against my brother
11 Tweety Bird.
And my brother is going to start off. Okay, here we go.
You suck. You better shut up. Oh, I think that's all for me. Okay, see you guys. Here's my brother.
Okay. Don't you dare.
I'm so sorry. Oh my God. And there was my brother.
No. Okay, that's all for our third belching contest. Okay, please comment us to tell us who you think won again, and we'll hopefully make more videos. Okay, bye.
Bye bye. Love you.